These are super cute. I just sat down to do today's facial and I realized I don't even have the face wipes. So hold please. Where's my head at? Where is my head at? So we're getting set up. Let's have those two. Whoa. Janky tripod because I broke it. Okay. Welcome to today's facial. I wore a really low cut shirt today so we could hit my neck because I didn't do it yesterday. So if you're just tuning in, this is day 6 of my treatment. These are really cute little barrettes today that I'm accessorizing. Oh Lord. So I just washed my face. Frank is on his little kitty stand. Totally took it over. Sorry, a little shaky. So let's just get to this before we have what happened yesterday. So if you watched video 5, the dogs kind of got a little crazy. Step 1 is gonna be short and sweet, 2 minutes. With this bad boy. Okay. This is day 6. I have noticed flaking. I've noticed some slight peeling, I would say very lightly. My face has gotten a little more sensitive, which is good, so that means it's working. And step 1 is just to exfoliate. Real good. I keep having that song in my head. Real good. I think it's feeling good. Real good. Like I should. I promised I wouldn't sing. I'm really enjoying this playlist, and I hope you are too. If you are, hit subscribe so you don't miss. Oh, my face looks when I'm done with this. I'll leave a link to these cute little barrettes too if they're still available. And some cute bodysuits in the description below. If you shop my links, I will earn a commission. I want to hit my neck really good today because I did not yesterday. I'm really proud of myself for doing this 6 days in a row. I'm putting off my social life to do skincare. It's okay though. People keep trying to call me at like 5 o'clock already. I'm like, no. I'm busy. I've adjusted my whole life to do this treatment. So I'm trying to watch the time. That each wipe, technically, what does this even say? 2 minutes to beautiful skin. Well, I think it's like 10. I think you should take your time doing this. Enjoy it. I don't think I can get through one wipe in 2 minutes. I haven't gotten through one wipe in 2 minutes since I started this. This one's drying up pretty quick, so try to hit these little corners. I do have some hair dye up in there still. These things are actually really cool. I noticed when I did my makeup earlier today that it definitely went on smoother. I feel like I'm a little sideways today. I probably am. Okay. Let's adjust this. So it does look like I have a shirt on. These are totally just like a point and shoot style video. I'm just trying to do basic editing, put some music on to keep it somewhat entertaining for you. So this is a 2-step daily face peel. Not courtesy of anybody, but available in the links in the description below. All right, this one dried up pretty quick. So I'm gonna go back in, make sure I get all of this step 1. Okay, good enough. I probably didn't clean my face this good again, or I'm forgetting certain areas. It's probably from around my my hairline too with the hair dye, since I just got my hair dyed, but whatever. So give this a little minute to kind of set in. Let's redo my little clips. I've been feeling like all the cute little like hair accessories lately. Later, I will do a video on what I love for hair products. That'd be a really cute idea. All right, it's good enough. Good enough for today. 2 minutes to smooth, beautiful skin, or 20. So step 2 is that anti-aging neutralizer. This one just feels really good. It almost feels like you're just drenching your skin with water. I do not give enough love to my neck and my chest, and I know being 30, it's gonna go downhill really quick. Here's your time to shine, show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body. We pretend sitting in the dark with every move. I always feel like I do this and I have one hand that just kind of like hangs out, doesn't know what to do. Alright, watching my time today to see if I can speed this up. This is a great way to do stay-at-home skincare. It's worth it. I'm gonna try to be gentle around my eye area. Here's your time to shine, show me what you can do. Now I have that sign in my head. I don't even know what to talk about today. I'm just kind of like chilling doing my face treatment, thinking about having a glass of wine. I was so frustrated. I've had the hardest time. Like, I'm shooting these on my phone and not my camera that I usually use for 2 reasons. This lighting on my iPhone is sick. Like, you're seeing it? I'm like, bam. And my camera, I look like I'm in a dungeon. So I don't know why. I'm not a professional videographer, clearly. So I'm just gonna stick with using my phone. But then when I go to AirDrop the video from my phone to my computer, it's like 8 hours later and I need like 4 bottles of wine. And that's why all these videos are not getting posted on time. So whatever. All right, this is wrapping up. I feel like whoever tested this and marketed this packaging as a 2-minute step must have been like power facial, and it's not me. I don't like to rush skincare. I don't know who does. Like, I don't want, I mean, no, do I want to sit there and do this every day for 20 minutes? No, and I'm not going to, but I at least want to go through the box of the 30 treatments, plus the one that I had stashed away from my sample pack. Like, I just want to give it a good hit and just see if this melasma clears up. I mean, it's definitely lifted. I mean, this is literally the best my skin has looked in years. And I'm still on the same birth control. Nothing's, I mean, I haven't really changed anything. Oh, when I wrap this up so I don't lose my setup, I have to show you my basil plant that this is sitting up against. There is one thing that I'm doing every single day. I try to, and that is eat a basil leaf. I started doing that, and then I finally Googled because I noticed my skin was better, but then I was using these and another serum in the link below. So I'm like, okay, is this really working? Is it the serum, or is it that I'm literally eating a basil leaf a day? I don't know. But basil has such great anti-aging properties, antioxidants, so I literally just keep ripping off a basil leaf from my basil plant and I eat it. I don't know if I could do that with other herbs, but yeah, I think that's gonna be kind of my thing. Obviously it works, it does something. This is just about dry. All right, good enough. I hit my chest good today. I hit my neck really good today. This again, I will wash my hair eventually. I just got it done, so I don't want to lose like my color. But this is day number, oh my God, I'm already losing count, 6. And my skin is looking really good. It is so soft. It's crazy to think that these wipes do this. Like, these are worth it for sure. 100%. I mean, I was sold by the first trial, first wipe pack thing. I mean, these things are bomb. Universal Daily Face Peel. I mean, if I had really bad hyperpigmentation or scarring like acne, I would probably use these every single day until I died. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through this whole pack and kind of see my progress, and then maybe do this every quarter. So maybe every like 3-4 months, probably hit my face again and just see if I can get away with doing this first microneedling and see if it lifts it up enough. The test is gonna be when I start doing hot yoga again, is how is this gonna work with the hot yoga, because heat cooks melasma. And right now, oh God, so here's a few things in my life that I've been doing. I've been treating my face, I've been eating a basil leaf, and I've not been doing hot yoga. So it's probably a combination of every one of those things. But I really hope that these are like that magic ticket. Again, here's my hand doing like nothing. It needs a glass of wine. It needs this in my hand. It does not. The white hits it so bad. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's not working. Whatever. So yeah, I have so many more to go. Actually, I'm doing so well at this. I'm just feeling it. Feeling it. So that is today's facial video. Here is my setup. My broken tripod and my basil plant. So I'm just gonna pull off this leaf. This is the big one. Don't you worry. I think it, like, to me, basil almost has like a minty taste, so it doesn't bug me. But that's what I've been doing every single day, is grabbing a leaf off my plant. Leaf, water, face wipe. And this is it. So this is today's facial, I can't even talk. So this is today's facial, 5 o'clock facial. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling progress. I'm feeling it. I'm like boring today. So, 1, 2, 3. Making sure I don't have basil in my teeth. Thanks for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Hit subscribe before you leave. And if you're looking to do some skincare, I highly recommend Peace.